Definition of parabola. Parabola is the set of all points P in the plane which are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point. Parabola is a set of all points. Parabola is a set of points. Suppose these are the set of points. Parabola is the set of points which are set of all points P, just like if P is this one point x and y, whose distance from a fixed point, this is a fixed point and a fixed line, fixed point and a fixed line. This is a fixed line and this distance and this distance will be same. This distance and this distance will be same. This distance and this distance equidistance, means set of all points which are equidistant. Suppose this is a point, this point is equidistant from this lines and this point, which is a fixed point. This fixed point is called focus and the line focus f into a0. If this is y-axis, which is, if this is x-axis, sorry, and now this is x-axis, which is parallel to the x-axis, which is parallel to the this fixed line. This fixed point is called focus and this line is called directrix. Similarly, the line which is passing through the focus is called axis of the parabola and this line is called vertex of the parabola. We know that if this, suppose this is M, this line is M, and we know that this line is origins, which is 0 0, any point O, vertex is at origin 0 0. We know that this is the directrix line, and since this line is cutting x-axis, so it will be x is equal to minus a, because the distance from, since this is a0, this distance according to the definitions, this distance and this distance will be same, equidistance. On the graph paper, this is rough drawing, x is equal to minus a. So we know that PF distance is equal to PM, PF and PM. So point P is xy, F is a0 and M is x is equal to minus a line. So there is one point, we mean that we want to find the distance point to point and point to line. So we know that the formula for point to point is x minus y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 plus 0 minus, according to the distance formula from point to point, is equal to PM. What is PM? This line is, what is the For this, formula is different because we want to find the formula from point to line. So what is this? X plus a is equal to 0. So this is the line x plus a, and we know that coefficient of x is 1 square plus there is no y, so 0 square according to the formula, distance formula for point to line. This is the distance formula for the point to line, and this is the distance formula from point to point. So what it is? It is x minus a square plus y square is equal to, what is that? X plus a. No need to write 1 square in the denominator. Taking square on both sides, after taking square on both sides, what we get? X minus a square plus y square is equal to x plus a square. Now open the square. X square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to x square plus a square plus 2ax. So we see that x square cancel, and here y square plus y square 2y square, and we know that here we also get a square. Actually this is x square minus 2x plus a square, and this is y square. So x square is cancelled out with x square, a square is cancelled out with a square, and y square is equal to 2ax minus 2x will be 2x, so y square is equal to 4ax, which is the standard equation of parabola. This is the standard equation of parabola when the parabola is passing through the origin. Now suppose the line which is passing through the focus, just like this line. Suppose it is L, F, L prime, and we know that this is the distance which is a, and this distance is y dash. So what will be L? It will be a y dash. Since L is also the point of parabola, so this point must satisfy the equation of parabola. This point y square is equal to 4ax. What is this point? L, which is equal to L into a y dash. Putting over here, what we get over here? Y dash square is equal to 4a, and this is also, x is equal to a, y dash square is equal to 4a square, and y dash is equal to plus minus 2a. So y dash is equal to 2a. Y dash is f to L. If the distance from f to L is 2a, of course this distance is also 2a, and the total LF L dash is 4a. LF L dash, also called latus rectum which is equal to 4a. So length of latus rectum LFL dash is 4a. So now we consider the other types of parabola, just like, you know, this is the parabola y square, let us say directrix, focus, vertex, y square is equal to 4ax, and line just like this is y square is equal to minus 4ax on the negative x-axis, and suppose this is directrix and the parabola is passing over here. This is x square is equal to 4ay. Now suppose here is the directrix, and now this is x square is equal to minus 4ay, negative y-axis. Eccentricity. We know that length ratio just like point to this, and directrix P focus and line M. We know that PF and PM length ratio, this is called eccentricity denoted by E, and in parabola PF length and PM length is same. It means that if PF and PM is same, it will be cancelled out. Our answer should be 1. So eccentricity is 1 in case of parabola. Thank you very much.